Alright, welcome to the world of calisthenics. You ain't got to do sit-ups no more. You can still do them if you want to work on your core. Doing sit-ups, or doing this right here I'm finna show you, is not gonna get you abs. The only way you're gonna get abs is in the refrigerator and in the kitchen. Depends on what you eat and what you don't eat. But if you want to strengthen up your core, you come here to the pull-up bar, you grab it, you can do wide grip or whatever. You come here, you lift off, and then you come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See what I'm saying? And you're putting all that pressure on the core, on the abs. Now, if you want to get them obliques, from the side, you come back here, same thing. Hang, boom, 2, 3, 4, 5. See what I'm saying? That's gonna get them obliques, keep you lean. This is calisthenics. If you can't do one of these when you first start off, don't feel bad. We all started there. I've been doing this shit for like 10 years, so that's why I look as good as I look. But if you keep going, you understand, maybe one day you could look like this, though I doubt it, but you could try. Sean G, Podcast with Soul on YouTube. Follow me on my Instagram. My email is thepodcastwithsoul@gmail.com. Get at me. Peace.